Welcome to Mr.CIPHER. Today we are gonna look on how to hack Windows system with cool graphical user interface. Easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. Mr.CIPHER. First of all, you need to download a cage tool. The link is given in the description. Click on this and download it. Now go to the downloaded directory. Now right-click and open terminal here. Enter command ls for list. As you can see, our downloaded file is listed here. Now we need to give permission for this file, to make it executable. For that, enter command, sudo, chmod, +x, and the file name. If it asks for a password, enter your root password. Now we need to install Cage tool. To install it, enter command, // and file name. I have already installed, so it will open. After it's installed on your system, you can open it from the applications list. Now we need to connect the metasploit RPC with this Cage tool. We can also start from the start button, but we will do it manually. So we can also use the command line. For that, open new terminal and enter command msf console. It will start the metasploit. Then enter command load msgrpc. We get the username and password. Copy it and enter into the Cage tool. It will connect the Cage tool with metasploit. Untick this, and click on Connect. We are successfully connected. Now it's time to create a backdoor and listener. Let's create a backdoor. Give your backdoor a name, and choose a payload type. I am gonna making for a Windows, so I will select Windows/meterpreter/reverse_TCP. Enter your IP address and port number as 4x4. To check your IP, enter command, ifconfig and new terminal. Select payload format. We are creating for Windows, so it is exe. And also add the .exe extension to our payload file. Let the encoders and characters to avoid as it is, and click on a generate. It will take some time to create a payload, depending upon your system configuration. The payload file is created into the home/cage directory. Now we have to create a listener to interact with payload. Select the same type of payload which we have created earlier. Enter your IP address and port number as 4x4. Click on Create, it will create a session. Go to the Sessions. This is Victim's System. So it's time to do a little stuff onto the victim's system. Just copy the payload file and double-click on it. After you run the file, go to the session page on Cage Tool and refresh it. Boom! As you can see, we are into the system. We get the victim's compute name, architecture, and IP address also. To interact, click on Interact. As you can see, we can do lot of stuff with the victim's PC. We take screenshot, see the running processes, reboot it and shut down too. Let's take a screenshot. The screenshot is saved into the Cage directory. Now the most interesting part is here, the victim's PC directories. Here we can see the folder which is open in victim's PC. We can also go to the previous directories with the up arrow. See, the same files are present into the victim's PC. Let's download this image on our PC. Click here for download. Yee, it's downloaded. We can also read the documents. Let's open this text file. The document file says,
"Hello friends, don't forget to like and subscribe."
Do you know that we can delete victims' files? Yes, you heard right. We can. Click here to delete. See here, it will delete soon. Is this cool? Yeah, it is. There's other options too, like for networking commands, ifconfig, netstate, and route. We can take clicks from the victim's camera and also record mic for a particular time.